In China, the common installation method for underfloor heating is to fix the water pipe with insulation boards and manual clips. So that workers can cut it freely during installation. In recent years, dry aluminum floor heating products have gradually become popular in the market, with the advantages of saving floor height and accelerating heating. Before being put into use on the construction site, it is necessary to draw pipeline drawings and prepare material ratios in order to improve installation efficiency and reduce material waste. At the same time, our company will also send a sales engineer to the site for guidance when promoting this product, so that you can buy and use this new type of floor heating product with confidence. If you want to know more about Chinese underfloor heating, please hit the subscribe button below and leave your comment.